we're back to my favorite vlogging spot. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Dani, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to click on this video. It really does mean the world to me, and I'm so happy to have you here, whether you're new or you're not. But as you guys can tell from the title, today is going to be the first of many daily slash semi-daily vlogs that I'm going to be doing until Christmas. I originally was planning on doing yet another weeky? Oh my god, am I okay? I also have makeup all over my hand. I like can't speak today. I was planning on doing another weekly vlog, and honestly I can't really tell if you guys like those videos or not, so I figured why not just amp it up a little bit, start pushing out as many videos as possible until Christmas, and hopefully you guys will like these a little bit more. But regardless, today's gonna be a fun day. I think I'm gonna be doing some Christmas shopping with my mom. Might end up seeing my friends a little later, which is always fun, and I wanted to take you guys along. So I will show you guys my outfits. I'm actually about to run out to the mall with my mom. She's not letting me like shop with her because she's buying things perhaps for me and perhaps for my brother, and she just doesn't want me involved in any of that. But I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. It's freezing outside, so I don't know who I think I am in a t-shirt, but I'm wearing this from Brandy Melville. It's like my favorite t-shirt ever. It's just so comfortable. Leggings are Lululemon, and then my Air Force Ones. A very riveting outfit, as you can tell. And then I'm just gonna throw on a black puffer jacket on top of this, and it's gonna be a good day. I am really excited to start pushing out these daily-ish vlogs for you guys because I feel like that might be fun, and you know I'm always all for creating more of a connection with you, and I figured this might be a cool way to do it. Before we head out, I figured I should show you guys my Christmas decorations in my house. It wasn't decorated the last time I was here, but since I got back, there has been many changes made. So we got our tree, which looks beautiful. It's a little smaller this year, but it's fine. I wasn't there to pick it out. That's probably why. But it's decorated, all nice. Over here we have our first set of stockings. I don't know why we have two, but we have these in our living room, and then up on our mantle, that's where we put all of our Christmas cards. And then when you go into my family room, we have all of our, oh this is messed up, we have other Christmas pillows, and then our second set of stockings. Probably like 10 minutes ago at this point, and I've been trying to figure out the issues that I've been having with my computer recently. I don't know if it's a storage issue or what, but I need to export a video and submit it to a brand probably within the next 2 hours, and my computer has not been cooperating, which is not convenient, especially when I have deadlines that I need to meet. But I want to show you guys what I picked up from the mall today. I did not end up doing any Christmas shopping for anyone, but I did end up getting 2 things for myself, so you know what, I don't know, it happens. So I picked up one thing from Urban and one thing from Sephora. I got this big oversized t-shirt from Urban that I'm actually quite excited about. I was inspired by the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now just because these things are so comfortable, but I got this huge Van Halen t-shirt. I don't listen to Van Halen. I'm not even gonna try and act like I do, and I know my dad and my brother are gonna watch this and they're like, Danielle, why? Because both my brother and my dad play drums, so like obviously they're huge Van Halen fans, and I should know a lot more of their music, but I just don't. So hopefully I will learn some of it eventually. But I really like the shirt. I think it's so cool. I really like the color palette because it's really faded and it has like some more pastel colors on the front. It's just like super cute. I'll be wearing that all the time. And then I got a refill of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I haven't had this product in a while actually, and it's one of my holy grail products without a doubt. So especially since I think I have a photo shoot coming up on either Tuesday or Wednesday, this will definitely be necessary. So it's important to get a refill of that. And that's it for my haul. Also stopped at Dunkin' and got coffee. It's literally 4 o'clock. Why I need a coffee, I don't really understand. But when I'm near a Dunkin', I can't really resist. And I think I'm gonna end up seeing my friends in a little bit too. I don't really know what they're up to right now, but hopefully we can go grab some dinner all together. I feel like that would be fun. And then we always end up coming back to my house anyway, so we'll probably end up making it back here regardless. But I'm gonna go figure out what's happening with my computer and try and submit this video to the brand. And then, hopefully, after I get all that done, there will be some more fun things going on. Guys, I don't know if it's gonna turn down my street. This is something that they've done in my town forever, and it freaks me out. Look, Santa comes around. Oh, you can't even freaking see it. Santa comes around on a fire truck and sits on the top of there and just rides around the neighborhood. It's honestly super cute, and when I was a kid, I like obsessed over it because you can run out to the truck and grab some candy canes from Santa. It's just like so wholesome. But I don't know why, I'm like sitting in my house and I'm hearing all these sirens blaring around my neighborhood, which is just very unlike my neighborhood. And I totally forgot that it's the holiday time for a second, and I was like, what the hell is going on? But it's just Santa being super festive. I love this shit. This is so cute. It was even better when everyone in my neighborhood was really young, because like when I was, I don't know how to describe, like everyone who lives in my neighborhood, like we're all around the same age, and we moved here around the same time. So when we were like, what, like 6, 7 years old, we would all like line up outside and say hi to Santa, and it was so cute. Anyway, I finally got all of my work done, which is good. I actually totally forgot that I had to submit a reflection paper for one of my classes. So I got that done, submitted my video for approval, and now I'm waiting on dinner. My dad just went to go pick it up, and I'm gonna eat dinner with my family, and then later tonight, I'm gonna end up hanging out with Gabby, Amanda, and maybe Bridget. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but right now it's 7 o'clock. Time is actually going by super slow today, which is good because I've been able to get so much done, and I think it's gonna be a fun rest of the night. Good morning, guys. I just want you to picture me walking downstairs for the first time this morning at like 10 a.m. and the first face that I see is my own, because I guess before my dad left for work, he just put my videos on a loop and they've just been playing all morning. I just let my dog out and I'm sure she wants food, and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. It's already 3:30 and my entire day has really been super chill. I slept in this morning. I edited the beginning half of this video actually. I hung out with my brother a lot, and now I'm getting ready to go into the city. Obviously, this is always my favorite thing to do, period. I love going to the city, and we're gonna be doing something super fun today. I'm going into the city with Gabby, Bridget, and Amanda. Same friends, only friends that I hang out with really when I'm home from my town. And we're going to this really cool bar where they have all of these igloos on the roof, and you get like an amazing view of the Empire State Building. I've always wanted to go, and I'm just super excited. Gabby's been like pushing this ever since, honestly, Thanksgiving, and it's just gonna be so much fun. So I have been kind of just getting my life together, getting my face looking okay, and I was just on FaceTime with Gabby trying to figure out an outfit, because Gabby and I have two very fun things going on this week. So today, obviously, we're doing that whole bar thing, and I would like some cool pictures, so that means I need a cool outfit. But on the 19th, we have a very, very exciting day. I'll put down the camera for this one. Back in, I want to say September or October, my favorite podcast, which was introduced to me by Gabby, which is called Girls Gotta Eat, announced that they are doing some shows in New York, which they haven't done in a really long time. Not only are they doing shows, but they're doing like holiday special shows, and I've just been waiting for them to go on tour and for me to be available for their tour. So they announced their tour dates, and I got super excited, and obviously the first person that I wanted to text about this was Gabby, because we talk about this podcast all the time. And I texted her and I was like, Gab, Girls Gotta Eat, they're going on tour. And she didn't respond to my text for probably like 20 minutes. And then when she responds, she goes, Merry Christmas, I just bought us front row seats and meet and greet passes. And I was like, are you kidding? Like, I freaked out. I mean, I screamed. It was crazy. So this is something we've been looking forward to since like September, October, and the day is finally approaching, and we're so excited. So we've been like planning our entire day for the longest time now, planning our outfits, and that's just gonna be such an amazing day. And obviously I'll be vlogging that for you guys, but there's still some time for that. But regardless, the point of me telling you all that is I have some things that I need outfits outfits for, and I don't really know what to wear when. This has been my setup for the morning. I postmated some coffee to the house, and then I've been watching this movie, which is called I Don't Know How She Does It. I really, really like it. I don't know how I'd never seen it before. It's like oddly relatable, but I don't know. I really, really like this movie, and I've just been enjoying my time getting ready, but I need my hair to dry so I can try and do something to it. My mom is on a trip, and she took her straightener with her, which is great because I didn't bring mine back from school, so I need to figure out this whole hair situation, and then in about an hour, I'll be heading off to the train. All right, guys, I moved on to watching the new version of The Grinch, which, to be honest, I don't really know how I feel about it, but I just changed into my outfit of the night. This outfit absolutely makes the list of my all-time favorite outfits I've ever worn because I'm just obsessed with it. I think it's so cool. So just to break it down really quickly, my sweater, I don't really know where it's from. I always steal it from my mom every time I come home, but if I had to guess, it's probably from Lord & Taylor. My skirt, like I said, is from Princess Polly. It absolutely makes the outfit. It's just the coolest thing that I own. And then my tights are probably from Macy's, and my booties are from
This is the train.
What? We just made it to 235th Rooftop, and we're gonna cross our fingers that we can get an igloo. What happened? What are you worried about?
I don't think they're gonna see us until our entire party's here, so.
Oh, so we might have to wait.
Yeah,
I guess we'll see. I'm so excited. Going to make this train.
Sorry, I just pushed you.
If it freaking, yeah, you should be sorry. We are going to make this train if it freaking kills us. Ay, ay, ay. We got this. And we're home. Guys, tonight was such a fun night. I'm so happy that it ended up working out the way that it did, and then we finally ended up finding a time for all of us to go together to that bar. It was so much fun, and like honestly the perfect way to get into like the holiday spirit without it having to be like this huge production. Again, like I tried to say in the beginning of the video, I don't know if you guys, or not the beginning of the video, but one of those earlier clips, the bar that we went to was called 235th Rooftop, and it's really cool because like depending on the season, they have different formats for the rooftop bar. Obviously for the winter time, they set up those igloos, which were just so incredibly cool, but during the summer, it's kind of just lined with all of these picnic tables, and they have this really cool frosé that they serve in like big Capri Sun looking pouches. And then for winter they had a spiked hot chocolate, which is what I got, and they had a bunch of other festive type drinks. So definitely a really cool way to get into the holiday spirit without it being like this big thing like going to see the Rockettes and something like that, which obviously is so much fun, but that's also like more of like a touristy thing, I guess. Not that this isn't necessarily a touristy bar, it's just a little bit more low-key in comparison, but it was just so much fun. And I mean, we had some like really good conversations like we always do. None of that was a surprise, but one thing that we were talking about, and my parents are probably watching this and they're like, oh my god, Danielle, please don't think about it. Actually, I don't even know if they would really care that much. I guess we'll see when they watch this. But we have kind of been dabbling with the idea, the four of us, of getting a matching tattoo. And when I say that, I mean like something super, super small, like thin, and very hidden. And we were kind of like playing around with the idea today, and I think we kind of decided on something that we would want to get. There was like a hot second that we thought we were going to get it today, and obviously that didn't end up working out, but I think it's definitely something we'll end up getting maybe during this break. I don't really know, but I think that'd be really cool. I don't know. Maybe it was just like a random conversation we were having today, but it's definitely something we've mentioned in the past, and I could see it happening. So I don't know. Regardless, if it ends up happening, it's gonna be something that's like this big and super hidden. You guys will probably never see it, but I think it would be interesting and a lot of fun. But I guess, well, only time will tell, really. But now I'm home. obviously, and it's 11:30, so I'm gonna end up going to bed, but I did want to end off this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Definitely a little different. I don't really know what makes it feel different to me right now. Maybe it's because it's like more casual and there's not as much editing, but regardless, I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please leave me a comment in the comment section. It really does mean the world to me, and responding back to you is my favorite part about posting videos, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.